Rituja, you will not get what you are searching. You are trying to find out one hand with a drop. Okay, this is fine. You still found it. But what if you want to have a hand and want to make a earth on your hand in your hand, or maybe not earth, but let's say if you want to make a washing machine in your hand,
I won't get it.
you won't get it. Taito. So how do you combine things? You have to learn individual things. You have to learn to draw a hand, and then you will have to learn to draw a washing machine, and then you combine both of them. This is how we have to understand, try and learn. So आगे first learn drawing the hand, you master that ভালো করে শিখে নাও ওটা, তারপরে অন্য জিনিস করো, কম্বাইন করতে শিখো। সব তুমি এমনি রেডিমেড পেয়ে যাবে না। আমার স্টোরিটা বলার কথা এটাই ছিল, বুঝেছো?